One of the first things that we'll do before we actually roll the floor out itself and lock down this peeling deck paint is something that we call lining out. So basically we've come in, we've taken our coating and used a deck brush on a pole, and what we've done is we've come in and went down in between all of the cracks of this deck, sweeped it back and forth, right? It leaves the deck, the edges of the planks painted, and makes it to where when you look at the deck sideways and you can see down into the cracks a little bit, you don't see that old coating, right? So it's always important to line these out. So before we roll this out and encapsulate all this, we've lined out the edges and as far down into the cracks as we can. Now let's go get the coating system ready. Let's go get the coating system. Let's go get the Kong armor system ready to roll this all out and lock it down and encapsulate it.